Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the interior LED light bulbs for 2015 Maserati the Ghibli. Okay, this is, first you have to remove this thing here, the whole piece here. Okay, alright, first you're going to need the small flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need a Phillips head. Okay, so what you do is you need a Phillips head. You gotta pop this thing out, this thing here, pop it out. Okay, see that? This thing come off, and there's a screws right here. Let me see, it's kind of hard to see it right there. See that screw there? Let me see. There you go. It's one more. You need to pop this thing out too. Okay. There's one screw there and one screw here. So there are two screws need to be removed. Okay. Just take the whole piece out. This unit is gotta come out. So it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna stop the video. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. See, I took this piece out, the plastic piece out, the cover here, one here and one here. There are two screws, one here and one in there. So I removed the whole thing out. See, the whole unit come out. There are two holes, one hole here and one hole there to hold the bracket. See that? That thing just lying there. Okay, just like that. All right, let's go to the next step. See, there are three bulbs. Okay, so all you have to do is twist it like that. Let the bulb come out. Socket. There you go. Okay. So what I did was I ordered the LED light bulbs on eBay. So I'm gonna remove the bulb out socket. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, it's kind of hard with one hand. Give me a second. Okay, what I did was here's the new LED light bulbs. See, that's a new one. So what I did is I removed the old one out. There you go. See, that's a socket. So that's the old one. That's a new one. So what I do is I just plug it in the socket, just like that. Okay. And here you go. So I put a new LED light bulb in the socket. Sometimes you have to you put it in like that, and you just twist it, and the light will come on. If the light does not come on, you take the bulb out, you reverse it to let's say this way or this way, so it should come on. See, now I'm going to try it like that. I'll twist it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There you go. Okay, let me close the door. I'm gonna open the door. Let's see what it does, okay? Let's see. Hey guys, I got it work. See? Now it's LED light. So much wider. The other one's kind of yellowish. This is like a white. There you go. So I'm gonna change this one and also this one too. So to make it all LED. So at night time it's gonna be real bright. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the before and after. See, I still have the thing yellowish. Okay, this side too. See this side yellowish too. See. So I'm gonna change them. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got all the bulbs replaced. 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. See? See? All LED now. Sweet! So I'm gonna install the backs. Just like that. Like that. I put screw guts in there. Okay. Just like that. Hey guys, I got it installed back on. So I put one screw here, one screw here. And I put the cover over. Now I got a new LED light bulbs. Thank you for watching.